Microsoft's Copilot is now built right into Microsoft 365 on the web. That's right. When you go to office.com and log in, you'll notice that first of all, we have a rebranding. It is now Microsoft 365 Copilot, and you'll notice Copilot off here to the left. You can also find Copilot in the app switcher. Okay, so all you have to do is click on the Copilot app and voila, it loads right here in Microsoft 365. You can begin utilizing Copilot AI to help you plan, use it as a thinking partner, and now you can attach documents when working with Copilot AI. For example, maybe I want to upload a PDF document and have it summarized. I'll go ahead and drag and drop a PDF file down in here. And now I'll ask AI to summarize this rubric. I'll click send. And look at that. We have a nice summary of everything that's in this multi-page PDF document. Also, I'll start a new chat here. You can also attach images. So let's say, for example, that I want to take an image. I'll go ahead and click and drag and drop it into the message field. And I'll go ahead and say, create a version of this image that resembles Japanese anime. I'll click send. Here's the original image. And Copilot says, I'll try to create that. The anime style version of the image is being generated. It will be ready shortly. And boom shakalaka. There we have our animated version similar to the original image. And we can go ahead and click on this, and we can download it and use it or copy it to use in other documents. Also, you'll notice on the right-hand side, you will see your chats. If not, click this little icon here to open it up. And you'll see your chat history. I can go back here to the document that I had summarized, or back to the image that I had created. Please be advised that you should only upload content that does not contain sensitive or confidential information.